Hi, what's up, everyone? So, I actually hear so many people saying that I can't memorize. I can't memorize vocabulary. Try imagine you learn today and you never forget. I mean, you can learn 10 languages. Even you can be a doctor, you can be a lawyer, you can be anything if you never forget, right? That's amazing. Like computer, once you input some information into your brain and you never forget. But unfortunately, humans are a bit stupid. We learn today and tomorrow we forget. So that's why the problem is I can't make progress. Today I learn, tomorrow I don't remember, again tomorrow I learn, and day after tomorrow I don't remember. So then you feel like I will never be able to speak Japanese because I'm forgetting. And even people actually misunderstand, oh, I'm old, my brain is not good, oh, I can't memorize. But then this time I actually ask, so how really are you learning? How are you really learning? Step by step, I ask everybody, people who say these things, I can't memorize. And most of people actually doing really wrong study. For example, I'm just looking at the vocabulary book, like 10 or 20 words today you learn, like bank, post office, apple, banana, girl, boy, and restaurant, whatever. Like this, like just so much random words you learn, and tomorrow, simply you don't remember. But this is actually, we need to think about what is going on, our brain. If you really want to control your memorization, you really need to understand your brain, our brain, how it works. So we can control the brain, and you don't need to do this bunch of just words and you forget it, So simply, how actually can teach, let's say Japanese, to your grandmother. Your grandmother is 80 years old, and now you want to teach some Japanese. Right? Because we need to think about the brain. Because people say, I'm old, I'm not good. And actually you say, let's start from konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So, hey grandma, hello, good afternoon. In Japanese is konnichiwa. Try to say grandma, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Today is okay. Tomorrow, you're going to ask her, do you remember how to say good afternoon in Japanese? Oh, I don't remember. Okay, it's okay. Konnichiwa. 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 Oh, grandma. Well done. Day after tomorrow, you're going to ask again, do you remember, grandma, how to say good afternoon in Japanese? Oh, boy, you're going to ask me again. Okay, what was it? Ko. She started memorizing ko. Okay, so grandma, one more time. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Try imagine you're going to do to grandmother 365 days. Every single day, you're going to ask her konnichiwa. So she remember. Konnichiwa. 2022, right? So do you see how our brain works? So everybody, even a song, or like a recipe, how to cook, or like a new application, like how to use Instagram, Facebook, whatever. If you repeat it every single day, everybody can learn something, The funny thing is so many people try to do every day different way. Today, I'm going to learn this word. Today, I'm going to learn that phrase. Today, I'm just watching the movie. Tomorrow, I'm just watching the textbook. When the people are really distracted, they are not repeating anything, same things. Then what's happened to them is they did so many things, movie, textbook, vocabulary book, whatever, and even living so many years in Japan, and nothing. It's going to be nothing, zero. You see, it's if you're not repeating anything, how to cook, how to use this software, how to actually pronounce it perfectly in Japanese, Spanish, German, whatever. If you're not repeating, you're going to be zero. That's how brain works. So what we need today, you need to be sure, certainly, this phrase is I'm going to use that way in the restaurant. I'm going to order perfectly, and that phrase, I'm going to use it every day because I'm living in Japan. It doesn't make sense if this person is living many years and there's no certain phrases. This is just not about your brain, bad or old. No, you just didn't control your brain. So try to think how our brain really works. Let's control our brain.